In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Amazon Prime Video for Windows. This is a simple process that will allow you to enjoy your favorite shows and movies directly on your computer. First, let's get started by launching the Microsoft Store on your computer. You'll find the Microsoft Store in your Start menu or pinned to your taskbar. It's the place where you can download apps, games, and more for your Windows device. Opening the Microsoft Store is the first step to accessing a world of entertainment. Once you have the Microsoft Store open, you may be prompted to log in. If you see a login screen, go ahead and enter your Microsoft account credentials. Logging in is important because it ensures that any apps you download are linked to your account. This step keeps all your downloads organized and easily accessible. Now that you're logged in, look at the top of the Microsoft Store window. You'll see a search bar there. Click on it to begin typing your search query. This search bar is your gateway to finding any app you need, including Amazon Prime Video. In the search bar, type Amazon Prime Video for Windows and then press Enter. This action will bring up a list of search results related to your query. Typing the exact name of the app ensures you find the official version quickly. Next up, from the search results, look for the official Amazon Prime Video app. Make sure it's the one published by Amazon Development Center, Inc. This step is crucial because selecting the correct app guarantees you're downloading the authentic, secure version. Once you've located the official app, click on the blue button that says Get, or it might say Install. This button starts the download and installation process. Taking this action will begin adding the app to your computer, bringing a host of entertainment options to your fingertips. After the download is complete, click Open to launch the app. When the app opens, you'll need to log in with your Amazon account credentials. This ensures that you can access your entire library of Prime Video content. Logging in connects your account with the app, letting you stream and download content seamlessly. With that ready, you'll now have Amazon Prime Video set up on your Windows computer. You can start exploring movies, TV shows, and exclusive content right away. This download process not only gives you access to Prime Video on your computer, but also enhances your viewing experience with the convenience of a larger screen. Remember, the steps we've covered today are quick and easy to follow. By using the Microsoft Store, you've ensured a secure and efficient download process. Each step we took was designed to connect your Amazon account with the app smoothly. This setup allows you to dive into the vast collection of Amazon's streaming service without hassle. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Enjoy your new way to watch Amazon Prime Video on your Windows device. Happy viewing!